Hi, M5845. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Rose Ann Sindak, 35 years old, has two daughters, 8 years old and 15 years old. I'm vocational graduate, ship restaurant and cabin management.
Your religion
Baptist, sir.
and your civil status.
Single, sir.
Single, but you have a live-in partner.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Domestic, domestic helper, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
Cleaning. That's all, sir. Cleaning.
Cleaning. And how many members of the family do you have on your first employer in Kuwait?
7, sir.
Okay, 7. And you are the one who took care of them, right?
Yes, sir.
And other household chores that you do.
Sir.
Household chores that you do. Other household chores.
Washing, ironing,
Okay.
and cleaning,
Okay.
cooking.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First, sir, I wash my hand. Then after that, clean the bottle. And then after that, I put hot water. And then after that, I put milk. Then water.
Okay. So you have you know how to prepare a milk. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check her. I check her temperature. Then after that, I check if his or her is hungry.
Okay.
And then after that, I check his diaper.
Okay.
Wet.
If the baby doesn't stop to cry, everything that you have done, the baby is still crying, what will you do?
I take her. I call my employer.
Okay, and what will you say to your employer?
And then I ask her, the baby is stop crying
Not stop crying.
because I think the baby is not feeling well.
Okay, so you will call the attentions of the parents.
Yes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of I think that Hong Kong is a safety place and also a high salary.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
After I finish contract and then after my employer want me to stay.
So you are willingly to extend your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I asked my employer, and then if my employer is not in house, I check in YouTube.
Okay, you will check on YouTube so you could learn how to. And you could also buy some cookbooks, and also if your employer have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them. How do they prepare? So you can learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing a room with kids? It is
Yes, sir.
okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to bed, to the bathroom.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm honest, I'm patient, and also I'm good person.
Oh.
That's all, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank
Have
you
a
very
nice day.
much, Miss Rose Ann. Thank you.